name is Grace and I am back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to share with you how I created this makeup look. It's very bronzy makeup. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start. I will be priming my face using this e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. So I'm just going to apply this on the center of my face. For foundation today, guys, I will be using this L'Oreal. This is the newest foundation from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear foundation, and I pick up the shade Golden Sun. So it's very, very watery, the consistency, as you can see. So I'm just gonna apply this on my face first, just like that. I used 1.5 pump, but I don't think it's gonna be enough. So let's have a look. Okay, so I'm going to blend it using my LA Girl sponge. Alright, so for my concealer, I will be using this Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser in the shade Nude. I'm just going to blend this concealer on my eyelids as well, guys, as my eyeshadow primer. Alright, so I'm just going to set the concealer using this powder. This is the RIMMEL Match Perfection face powder, and this is in a shade 001 Transparent. Okay, so next I'm going to set the rest of my face using a different powder. I will be using this NYX No Filter finishing powder in the shade Honey Beige. Okay, next I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be back. Hi guys, I am back and I'm done with my eyebrows. The product that I use for my eyebrows is this one. This is the LA Girl Brow Pomade and this is in a shade dark brown. So next, let's put some eyeshadows. So the palette that I'm going to use today is this one. This is from Makeup Revolution or I Heart Makeup, and this is the palette called Chocolate Vice. So this is what the palette looks like. So first I'm going to take this shade and warm up my crease. Then next, I'm taking this shade and put it on top of my transition shade. Next, I'm going to take this shade and apply it on my eyelids. There is a little bit of fallouts from this palette, guys, so if you have this palette, be careful. Next, I'm going back with this shade again, guys, and just apply it on my crease again, just to blend the edges so there's no harsh line. Okay, so next I'm going to take this shade and apply it on my lower lash line. And then next I'm going to take this shade and apply it on my inner corner and also on my brow bone. apply wing liner. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. Okay, next I'm going to apply gel liner or gel pencil. This is the NYX Stress Jolie gel pencil, and this is in a shade brown. Next, I'm going to apply mascara. This is the newest mascara from Maybelline, and this is the Snapscara. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is the newest mascara from Maybelline. And I'm not gonna apply false lashes today, so I'm just gonna apply mascara. Okay, so I didn't really get satisfied with the volume that mascara gave me, so I applied false lashes. So next, I'm going to apply a contour. This is what I'm going to use. This is the LA Girl Pro Contour Powder. This is my favorite contour powder from the drugstore. By the way, guys, I'm using the shade medium. This is the perfect shade for me. Look at that. This is really good, this contour powder. Okay, so I'm going to contour my nose as well. Okay, next I'm going to apply blush, and I will be using this Jordana blush powder, and this is in a shade Sweet Honey. So this is what it looks like. It's a very light blush, guys, so you probably can't see it, but it's there. Next, I'm going to apply highlights. I will be using this MILANI strobe light. This is in a shade number 2 Day Glow. So this is what they look like. Okay, next for the lips, I will be using this L'Oreal Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is the Less Chocolates, and this is in a shade Volupto Choco. Wow, this really smells like chocolate, this liquid lipstick. And we are done with our looks. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!